Hi friends, it's Jackie Williams, and today I want to share with you just a little tour through my wonderful romance flip album. I have posted this on my blog, but it's a bit hard to show in pictures because it's quite detailed and wide. So first we just open along the right hand side with the burlap ribbon, and we open the front cover. And you've got a place here for photos and journaling, and then another spot here for also photos and journaling, or you can just leave it as is. And this is the it's the Wonderful Romance Suite. I believe it's called Floral Romance, the papers, and this beautiful vellum is also in those papers. And then you open it up, and the back cover has another place for photos, and you could do more stamping and journaling here as well. Okay. And then you open again and again, and we've got some panels here also for journaling, and you can have photos here. Many of the people who've made this album with me are using this as a birthday card for, say, someone who's turning 21 or 60 or 80, and photos and people writing notes and things might just be, you know, a very special gift. Okay, then we've got a couple pieces of the wood paper that's also in this pack, and I did a little stamping with the big flower in that Wonderful Romance stamp set. Then we open it up again, and in the very center we have some wood paneling paper and a little stamping, and then a little accordion fold place for maybe some more photos or from some journaling that maybe is a little more personal. And then folds up like so, back together, and like so. So this one's a lot of fun, and it's actually, the construction isn't as tricky as it initially appears, but that's the best kind of project, I say, is something that looks really incredible but actually isn't real hard to achieve. So I have written up a tutorial and step-by-step instructions with photos available for $20 New Zealand. So you can find that on my website, on my tutorial page. This is Jackie Williams, and thanks for watching. Bye.